Hello friends, today's topic 6 sectors for good profits in 2025 from Aditya Birla Capital. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. It has been a very weak start for the year 2025 for Indian stock markets. The correction in markets continues and may go on for some more time, especially in mid and small cap stocks. As per an article by Aditya Birla Capital, it has named 6 sectors that are likely to perform consistently in the coming years. Number 1, fast moving consumer goods. This sector is popularly known as FMCG. As India's urban population increases, the sales of FMCG products will increase and the value of the sales will also increase as the income levels of people increases. It is one of the evergreen sectors and has good potential. Number 2, real estate. As per data, residential sales have done very well in 2023 and 2024. The sector has done well after many years. The year 2013 was a very good year for real estate sector, after which the sales of houses did not grow at a good rate. The rising urbanization is likely to further fuel growth. Apart from residential real estate, corporate services are in demand as companies expand and many foreign companies expand in India. Not all real estate stocks will do well. However, some companies which have good resources and execution power will excel. Number 3, renewable energy. India's total renewable energy capacity recently crossed the 200 gigawatt milestones in November 2024. This brings the country to a step closer to its target of achieving 500 GW from non-fossil sources by 2030. Year by year, the government aims to rely less on coal-based electricity. Companies related to wind and solar energy have high potential for the future. Please note that you will need to do more research in companies which are relatively new or in businesses which are in nascent stage. So don't just decide in a short period. You will need to study many companies and read a lot before you can come to a conclusion. Fourth sector is healthcare and insurance. Healthcare is one of the evergreen sectors due to the nature of products and services it provides. It may be pharma companies, it may be hospital or other service providers. The demand for such products and services will increase further in India due to lifestyle related diseases as well as the population ages. Similarly, insurance as a sector is still underpenetrated. Hardly 35% of India's population have health insurance and life insurance penetration is also low. So far, insurance companies have not done well in the stock markets, but there are high expectations from this sector. Fifth sector is automobile. The automobile sector is slowly changing and becoming more electric. The two-wheeler sector has seen people shift to electric vehicles. However, there is still plenty of scope. Similarly, in cars, only around 2% of the cars are electric. Almost all car manufacturers have entered or will be entering electric car segment soon. There will be heavy competition, but the demand for cars will continue to rise since the number of cars to population ratio is much lower than other countries such as USA and China. Sixth sector is information technology, short IT. The IT sector may witness growth in the coming years due to the shift towards modern technologies like cloud computing, artificial intelligence, etc. Many large companies will have to use more and more technology for efficiently doing their work. So the investment on technology will rise in the coming years. Apart from the large IT companies, the mid-sized ones may also do well if they are able to provide good services to their clients. So the potential is huge provided they stay competitive. End of the video, here is the general knowledge question. What was the name of the Maruti Suzuki when it was first started? There are 4 choices. A. Maruti Enterprises, B. Maruti Industries, C. Maruti Udyog, D. Maruti Automobiles. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.